Are you on the lookout for a replacement part for repairing your Deming pump? We at Pump Products are here to help you. We offer robust pump repair parts for all Deming pump series, starting from the 3021 and 3031 series to the 7182 series. Designed with perfection, we have a collection of replacement parts for all kinds of Deming pumps, including demersible chopper pumps, demersible solids handling pumps, split case centrifugal pumps. The Deming Pump Parts and Repair Kits comprise demersible chopper pump parts, demersible solids handling pump parts, split case centrifugal pump parts, water pump parts, pump repair kits, pump motors, pump impellers, mechanical seals, pump shafts, pump sleeves, pump housings, bearings, gaskets, wear rings, and pump rotating assemblies. Pump Products is a leading Deming Pumps online pump repair parts dealer servicing customers nationwide. Our online store and huge inventory levels allow you to buy the repair parts direct from us and have them delivered to your doorstep. Inspector Pumphead and his team of application engineers are standing by to answer questions regarding pump and pump part selections and can assist in pump sizing, troubleshooting, and other pump-related issues. Need it now? We offer fast shipping with most orders being processed and shipped the same day at the lowest prices anywhere. Pump Products, your direct connection to Deming Pumps and Parts. Visit us at pumpproducts.com or call our toll-free number today, 1-800-429-0800.